My name is Cladius M. Vincent. I'm from Freetown, Sierra Leone, West Africa. I got an accident on attending a fire call. I am a firefighter from the National Fire Force at Freetown, Sierra Leone. I got this accident 25th of December 2022, a Christmas Sunday. I have this accident with my vehicle, which I got injured my right hip. From then, I was being checked with Dr. Lavalley at Freetown, and Dr. Lavalley recommended me to Dr. Vinod in India. Dr. Vinod recommended me to Dr. Ashish Rana in Apex Hospital. My operation was done on Tuesday by Dr. Ashish Rana, which was very successful. The operation went well. I am now feeling all right, since I don't able to walk yet, but I'm all right. The operation went well, and I can move my hand, my feet. All went well, and the medication is good. I want to thank the nurses, the cleaners, everybody at Apex. They have done much for me. They have done well. All of them are good. Thank you very much.